Hi everybody, I'm Geoff Carter as always. So nataka leo naonyesha kitu kimoja, jinsi ya kutengeneza these posters mtu anapost Instagram kwa wale wanaopenda matangazo online. Kama kwa mfano, how do I call this? Nikane. Yeah, something like this. Kwa nataka naonyesha sasa hivi. Lakini kabla hayo let's check the intro. So let's start our project. Kitu cha kwanza nafungua create new something new. Napenda portrait of course, sababu simu nyingi zina support ile urefu kubwa kama kidogo. So create new. Okay, we're starting there. I have a background, so tunaenda kuhitaji picha zetu ambazo tunahitaji. Okay, I need this one. Picha ambayo natakiwa ni edit. Of course, sio kuedit. Picha ambayo nataka niweke kama background kwenye hiyo tangazo langu. Of course, it depends on what are you going to advertise. Kama mimi nataka ni advertise about shoes and someone who is selling shoes. So I just found a picture on the internet ambayo inakuwa ina shoes na it's not so necessary, lakini as long as shoes zinavaliwa na mtu ndio maana tunahitaji miguu na uko juu. So there's that one. Also logo ya mtu ambaye unaenda kumtengenezea au someone who is advertising. Wewe unatengeneza advertisement lakini unamtengenezea mtu, so unahitaji logo yake anaotumia yeye kwa ajili ya advertisement. Then unakuja kwenye hapa. So kwenye tangazo unaona kuna space ndogo in case tunataka kuweka logo au tukitaka kuongeza maneno yoyote juu ya hii kitu. So what I'm going to do on that, nataka ni duplicate then ni fill this place with same kind of flow kama hii hapa, then nakuendelea. So let's try to do this. I'll skip au unaweza nikarekodi haraka au unaweza kupelekea haraka kwa ajili kwa sababu process ni karefu kidogo. So watch it. So I'm going to duplicate that. So I'm going for a shortcut, so I'm going to do this several times. Kama there, kama hizo hapo. So starting with this one, nishushe hapa, nishushe chini. So utaona nachotaka ku align ni this flow, sionekane kama mwendelezo. So I'll do that. Okay, nakuja na hii ya pili. So you can see picha yetu inakuwa imekamilika. Tukiweka na hii hapa zinakuwa mwisho. So what are we going to do? We are going to fill these places by cloning. So let's start with this one. Yep. Take our cloning tool. Where is it? Shit. Here. Cloning tool? Really? Okay, this is it. So I'm going to take that, click my layer. So I'm going to take that one. Yeah. Okay. It's easy. Yeah. Okay, come to this layer tool. Rasterize it. So I'm trying to make something which is so common to both of them, but take it down. Let's fill this space. Keep cloning. I got clone tool. So after that, I want to merge all these layers. Why do I have to do that? Nataka ni remove hizi, na ukiangalia kwenye hizi lines utakuta kuna separate like kama picha zimepandiliana, so na remove that one by merging them. It will be clone to kuziweka ziwe sawa. So just watch and you see what I'm trying to say. So as you can see there, okay, I'm going to take this, but take it that way. At least it's fine. You can add some more time on that, so at least you have now a space where we can type something or anything. Okay, now it's time to go and take our logo. Click alt, then click the image, drag it to another layer, then pop, it is there. So let's find a good place to put it. Ctrl T to transform it, then right click to put a equal ratio. So I think it is there. No, let's put it here. Press enter. But the colors don't match. Since tunachotangaza sisi ni viatu, so sidhani kama hii rangi inafaa na kulinganisha na viatu vyetu. So let's try to put it white or black. Okay, white is good because it's bright. Kulinganisha na viatu vyetu is a little bit darker. So let's put white. Take the blending option. You may use your ways, but this is mine. Yes, it is simple like that. Okay, click text, write anything you want. Let's say be stylish, something simple. Let's put it here, then alignment. There. Let's put our size like that. I think here we have some. Okay, let's put some words. Yeah. There. But ukiangalia vizuri maandishi yetu ni meupe, alafu na huku nyuma ni meupe, kwa hiyo nakosa muonekano mzuri wa maandishi. So let's do this. Chukua hiyo, tuende kwenye blending kama kawaida. Then let's put some shadow, no? Let's say drop shadow, something black. Okay, let's increase the size. Then spread some distance. Okay, at least there. Yeah, unaweza ukasoma B, neno B, stylish, kwa sababu mara kwanza neno B ilikuwa hata inaonekana vizuri zaidi. So hapo after there, let's say tubadilishe. Me siko comfortable na hizo lines za blue, kwa sababu mtu anapoangalia hii atakuwa na concentrate kwenye jinsi zaidi hata. So kuondoa hiyo, let's try to put it black and white. Generalize soga na of course naweka new layer. Let's put black, something like this one. Put it there, then okay. Something that's my favorite. Let's put it down here. Yep. Okay. Another, kwa sababu ile huyu mtu anayetengenezea like, okay, hichi kitu tunachotengeneza ni mtu anayefanya biashara za online. So let's show. Shop with us. Yeah, it's good. Okay, I'm done with that layer. shop us. Sasa shop with us where? So natakiwa niweke labda Instagram account like okay. Let's do this. Okay, hapo in this shop with us. Let's put something else so we don't know mengi. Good. Should I bold it? Yeah, there we go. So we have that one. Also we can put some number here. That is sample. Sijui kajaribu kupiga bana. Just a sample. Okay, then we have but here ni account ya Instagram, here hapa for WhatsApp purpose. So kuonyesha hizo, let's find some Instagram and WhatsApp things like okay, I have this one already downloaded. Group them here. So starting with this one, we're going to select color range. We're going to take black, fuseness to the last. Okay, I'll take that one. Here we go. Okay, same applied, blending. Okay, take that from WhatsApp to. Okay, I'm not so comfortable with these lines here on the background image, so I'm going again to that picture, click, select like something like this one, select yeah, right click, fill with content area. Let's see what will happen. Wait, poof, it's gone. So I can drop that to here again, then right click, fill with content aware. Yeah, it's done. So deselect, I don't know even how, it's shortcut. Okay, then boop, we are done. Save it, save as on desktop HTML. No, I just wanted to escape. So okay, save as ABG. Yes, maximum. I don't know much about that. So when we come back here, it is here. Yeah, good to go now. So thank you for watching this video. Number subscribe, like it and share. Also add some comments because last time there we just get bad. So subscribe, add any comment. Also if you want anything that you have seen nimepost kwenye account yangu ya Instagram au nimepost, okay, hata kama kitu kitakuwa kidogo, just tell me, I will do that for you. Way ambao nilitumia kutengeneza something like this, we have not that one, we have this one na nyingine ambazo unaziona zitapita kwenye video. We have this